Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Bank of America for Zelle enrollment, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin enrolling in Zelle with Bank of America, open your mobile banking app. Log in using your user ID and password. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once logged in, navigate to the Transactions tab at the bottom of the screen. From there, select Send Money with Zelle. If you don't see this option, tap on More to locate it. Once in the Zelle section, read through the terms and conditions provided. Agree to the terms to proceed with the registration. Next, you will need to verify your mobile number or email address. Choose the verification method that suits you best, either through a text message or an email. Enter the code sent to your phone or email to confirm your identity. After verification, select the bank account you'd like to use for Zelle payments. Ensure your personal information is correct, including your name and contact details. You may also have to set a payment limit if prompted. Review your information to make sure everything is accurate. Once everything looks good, confirm your enrollment. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully registered with Zelle. Now you're ready to start sending and receiving money using Zelle through Bank of America. If you encounter issues, consider reaching out to customer service for assistance. Enjoy the convenience of quick and easy money transfers with Zelle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.